Assalamu alaikum. This is Mubashra Aslam from the platform of Innovative Learning. The video is about gerund. Firstly, we'll see that what is a gerund, how we define it, and then we will see the use of gerund. So let's see the first slide regarding gerund. Now we'll see the definition of gerund, that what is a gerund. A gerund is the art form of verb which ends in ing and is partly a verb and partly a noun. It is a verbal noun. For example, smoking is injurious to health. Here, the word smoking is gerund. In the next example, hunting is my favorite hobby. Here, the word hunting is the example of gerund. Now we'll see the use of gerund. A gerund may be used as under subject of a verb. For example, smoking is injurious to health. Here the word smoking is gerund and we have used this here as subject. In the next example, drinking breeds many diseases. Here the word drinking is gerund and here it is used as a subject. In the third example, walking is useful for health. Here the word walking is gerund and here it is used as the subject of the verb. A gerund may be used as object of a transitive verb. A transitive verb is a verb that requires an object to complete its action. For example, I hate gambling. Here the word hate is a transitive verb and here gambling is gerund which is working as object of this transitive verb hate. In the next example, children stopped talking. Here stopped is a transitive verb and talking is gerund. In the next example, we enjoy playing on Sunday. Here the word enjoy is transitive verb and playing is a gerund which is used here as object of this transitive verb enjoy. Gerund may be used as complement to a verb. For example, seeing is believing. Here the word seeing is a verb and believing is gerund which is used here as a complement to this verb seeing. In the next example, the most hated thing is lying. Here lying is gerund which is used as a complement to a verb hated. In the next example, hearing is obeying. Here obeying is gerund which is a complement of the verb hearing. In the next example, what he likes best is fishing. Here likes is verb and fishing is gerund and this gerund here is used as a complement to this verb likes. A gerund may be used as a compound noun. For example, a flying plane, a plane for flying. Here flying is a gerund which is used as a compound noun. In the next example, a frying pan, a pan for frying. The word frying is a gerund which is used here as a compound noun. In the next example, a swimming costume, a costume for swimming. Here the word swimming is a gerund which is working as a compound noun. A gerund may be used preceded by a noun or pronoun. When a gerund is preceded by a noun or pronoun, it must be in the possessive form. For example, Ali's, Ahmad's, my, your, his, her, our, and so on, as the gerund is finally a noun. For example, I hope you will excuse my leaving early. Here, leaving is gerund which is preceded by a pronoun my. In the next example, she persisted in Ali's staying with her. Here the underlined word staying is a gerund which is preceded by a noun Ali's, which is used in the possessive form. Sometimes a gerund in the possessive case is not used. when it denotes a lifeless thing. For example, there is no possibility of train coming late. Here, the word coming is the gerund, which is denoting a lifeless thing, train. That's why this is not used in the possessive case. In the next example, there is possibility of bus being late. Here, being is gerund, which is denoting bus, which is a lifeless thing. That's why here gerund in the possessive case is not used. In the next sentence, I hope the car reaching soon. Here the underlined word reaching is a gerund, which is denoting a noun car, and here it is not used in the possessive case because car is a lifeless thing. Gerund is not used in the possessive case when a plural noun ends in s. For example, I like the boys playing hockey. Here, boys is a plural noun and playing is a gerund, but here gerund in the possessive form is not used because here plural noun ends in s. In the next example, she wants the girls being present. Here, the girls is a plural noun which ends in s. That's why here gerund in the possessive form is not used and being is a gerund here. In the next example, I want the toys being imported. Here, the word toys is a plural noun, being is a gerund, and being is not used in the possessive form because toys is a plural noun which ends in s. Gerund in the possessive case is not used when gerund is used in the passive form. For example, he was being sent to jail. The second example is Shoaib was being dismissed from service. And the third example is students were being taught a lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and share the video. Thank you.